Babe, what do you think a dancing Viking would look like?
He'd be tall. He'd have a 27 pack. Probably a beard. He'd have an axe in his hand. And like one of those big, thick, like real thick shields. You know? Probably have hair on his chest. And then he'd have like those furry boot things, you know?
Uggs?
And then he'd have those like short daddy shorts.
You've thought about this a lot. I'm almost afraid to ask.
Why were you asking?
Do you want to do a dancing Viking?
I sure do want to do a dancing Viking.
Sent in to us by Kim Craigs.
Kim can keep sending me Vikings all day. I read a lot of smut. What do you want from me?
Is there a Viking themed smut?
Yeah, it's smut. Duh, of course.
Let's get this dancing Viking over with.
Take your time.
Mixing glass.
You want to savor the dancing Viking.
Ice.
He does live in a very cold climate.
I feel like I should spritz you with something like with a cat. You know,
Can you spritz me with a Viking? How many spritzes do I get?
You get 0. No spritzes for you. 1 ounce of Amaretto. 1 ounce of crown apple.
Because he needs to be crowned king of the Vikings.
Smells really good.
I'm sure he smells delicious.
Probably sweaty. Hasn't taken a bath in a while. Didn't have running water.
So he smells like a man and outside.
And ass. 2 ounces of cranberry juice. We're gonna slowly, delicately mix this in our mixing glass.
I don't think a Viking would do anything slowly and delicately.
And he wouldn't have glass. He would have like metal.
He'd have wood.
You ready for it to dance? Sprite. About 2 ounces. I think I pulled a hammy. Cheers to a dancing Viking from Kim Craigs.
At this point, does it even matter if it's...
That's how they would dance.
No, it's not.
I watched it on National Geographic.
You want to dance with a Viking too, don't you?
Wow!
Yeah!